Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream cake technique. It's called a wave cake. If you guys want to learn how to make this and also an Isomalt cake topper, well, keep on watching. So this is how I made this beautiful cake. At first, you need a little bit of practice, but once you have the technique going on, it's just spectacular and it gives a nice wow factor to your cake. So basically what you need to do is once you crumb coat your cake and you give it a nice thick coat of buttercream, or even Swiss meringue buttercream, you're going to make sure everything is nice and even with your spatula, and then just placing your spatula at an angle and then going up and down to create those waves. You're going to create that kind of effect. I finished the look by just throwing little sugar pearls just to give it a little bit of a cute factor, and edible images that I cut out with my printer of cute little butterflies. I also created an ombre effect, as you can see. So what you need to do is simply start with the white buttercream at the bottom and then mix it in using another shade of buttercream, whatever shade you want to use, and then you blend both colors so that you have a nice transition, and then that is basically it. You have a beautiful ombre wave cake. So for the cake topper, I use Isomalt. I use a powder one. I'm not too crazy about the powder. I find that you need a lot of product in order to do a nice quantity of Isomalt. So it's kind of like surprising at first because I feel like you just need a little bit, but actually no, you need a lot. And to do the Isomalt topper, many of you were asking me, why isn't mine working? It cracks. It's probably because you're doing it too thin, so make sure you're doing it quite thick, and like that it's going to be easier for you to just remove it from the silicone mold, or silicone mat I should say. And again, be very careful. Every time I use this product, my kids are not around, so this is very it's a dangerous product if you're not careful with it, because you will burn yourself. So please, if you have kids around, make sure that you tell them to get out of the kitchen and then just make them do something or whatever, but do not work with this product with kids around, just to make sure that you don't burn them. And you need all your concentration also to work with this product. So another thing I would highly suggest is use gloves. So like that, if the product falls on your hands, it's going to fall on your gloves. So super important also. And basically that is it. In order to unmold it, make sure that it also has completely set and hardened. So some of you are asking me, how long does it take? I would say, just to be safe, like just leave it there for a few hours and then it's going to be completely set. Does it come a little bit sticky? Yes, depending on the quality or that you're using, so, or the company that you're using. So sometimes it does get a little bit sticky. It also gets a little bit of fogginess if you put it in the fridge. So what I do is that a lot of times I prepare my topper, I just leave it aside, and then when I'm ready to deliver the cake, I just put it on top of my cake last minute, and then boom, it's out for pickup or delivery. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.